Prove that 21n plus 4 all over 14n plus 3 is irreducible for every integer n. IMO 1959 problem. So what is the meaning of reducible and irreducible fraction? For example, if we have a fraction 5 over 3, so 5 over 3 is irreducible since 5 and 3 does not have any common factor other than 1, but 4 over 2 or 2 over 4 is reducible since they share a common factor other than 1. Or greater than 1. So 4 over 2 or 2 over 4 is reducible since they share a common factor other than 1 or greater than 1. So we can reduce 4 over 2 as 2. We can reduce 4 over 2 as 2. So basically, what is the meaning of reducible or irreducible fraction? Reducible fraction are those fractions which can be reduced, which can be converted into their simplest form, and irreducible fraction are those fractions which cannot be converted into their simplest form. So this is the meaning of reducible or irreducible fraction. So as we have shown here, 4 over 2 or 2 over 4 is reducible fraction. So since they share a common factor other than 1 or greater than 1. Here 4 over 2 is share a common factor 2 which is greater than 1, and here 2 over 4 in 2 over 4 2 also share a common factor which is greater than 1. So this is the idea. So in this question we will apply a proof by contradiction. So suppose (20n plus 4 and 14n plus 3 share a common factor let p and p is greater than 1. So we have assumed that 20n plus 4 21n plus 4 and 14n plus 3 share a common factor p which is greater than 1. So as we assumed here, as we have shown here, 4 over 2 or 2 or 4 is reducible since they share a common factor greater than 1, or 4 over 2 is share 4 and 2. In 4 over 2, 4 and 2 share a common factor, that is 2, and here 2 and 4 also share a common factor, that is 2. So 4 must be divisible by 2 and 2 must be divisible by 2. Here is also 2 must be divisible by 2 and 4 must be divisible by 2. So we will apply here the same logic. So if 21n plus 4 and 14n plus 3 share a common factor p, where p is greater than 1, so we can write 21n plus 4 must be divisible by p, must be divisible by p. 21n plus 4 must be divisible by p, and 14n plus 3 also be divisible by p. So we can write here we can write 21n plus 4 must be congruent to 0 mod p, 0 mod p. Let's say it is equation 1, and 14n plus 3 must be divisible by p, or 14n plus 3 must be congruent to 0 mod p. So we have got two equation, where first is 21n plus 4 must be congruent to 0 mod p, and 14n plus 3 must be congruent to 0 mod p. So these are the two equations, and we are gonna treat these two like a system of equations. So by multiplying equation 1 by multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3, so that we could equate the make the equal coefficient of n. So by multiplying equation 1 times 2, equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3, we get 42n plus 8 is congruent to 0 mod p. And 42n plus 9 is congruent to 0 mod p. So this is the equation 3 and it is 4. Now by subtracting equation 4 minus 3 we get, so by subtracting equation 4 and 3, equation 4 with 3 we get, so we have to subtract these two equations. So 42n plus 9 is equal to 0 and 42n plus 8 is equal to 0. So by subtracting here 42n and 42n will be cancelled out, and here if you subtract 9, so 9 minus 8 will be equal to 1, and here we got 0. So we can write from here we can write 1 is congruent to 0 mod p. From here we can write 1 is congruent to 0 mod p. But this equivalence relation is only holds true if p is 1, meaning that this equivalence relation only holds true in case of modulo 1. So we can write this equivalence relation is only holds true in modulo 1. So p must be equal to 1. So we have arrived at the conclusion that p must be equal to 1, but in the beginning we have assumed that p must be greater than 1, so that our fraction 21n plus 4 and 14n plus 3 share a common factor and which can be reduced. But here we got that p is greater than 1, sorry, we got here p is equal to 1, which is a clear contradiction, which is a clear contradiction. And we are done.